Welcome to Bike Lane, where performance meets passion. Today we're diving into the legendary comeback of the 2026 Kawasaki KX 500 dirt bike, a machine built to dominate both nostalgia and modern motocross tracks. Design and build. The 2026 KX 500 carries an aggressive and bold design, blending classic styling with modern sharp edges. Its lightweight frame improves handling, while upgraded suspension ensures better control on rough terrain. The bike feels solid, durable, and race-ready. Engine performance. At the heart of this beast is a powerful 500 cubic centimeters engine, delivering explosive acceleration and unmatched torque. Whether you're hitting jumps or racing through dirt trails, the KX 500 offers raw power that demands respect. It's built for riders who crave adrenaline. Technology and features. Kawasaki has introduced modern tech upgrades, including improved fuel injection, better cooling systems, and enhanced traction control. These features make the bike more reliable and easier to handle compared to older models. Ride experience. Riding the 2026 KX 500 is intense yet thrilling. The power delivery is aggressive, but the refined suspension and braking system keep everything under control. It's perfect for experienced riders looking for high performance. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KX 500 is more than just a dirt bike, it's a statement. Combining legendary power with modern upgrades, it stands out as a top contender in the motocross world. Stay tuned with Bike Lane for more epic rides.